Hello, this is lecture 2, 6th sem, Maths 1, Unit 3, Legenders, Equations and Functions by Ramanjan sir, Department of Mathematics, Tungal College, Jamkandi. Right. That lecture 2, lecture 1, we discussed the basic definitions of Legenders equations and functions by Ramanjan sir, Department of Mathematics, Tungal College. See that now, Legenders polynomials. Legenders polynomials. Legenders polynomials. Legenders polynomials from Rodrigues formula. From Rodrigues formula, Pn of x is equal to 1 by 2 power n into n factorial d power n divided by nth derivative dx power n of x square minus 1 whole to the power of n. So Rodrigues formula or theorem, Pn of x is equal to 1 divided by 2 power n into n factorial into d power n by dx power n of x square minus n, x square minus 1 whole power n. This we will prove later. We prove this later. So see that now, in this formula, if n is equal to 0, then n is equal to 0. So P0 of x is equal to right side in this formula 2 power 0 into 0 factorial into d power 0 divided by dx power 0 into x square minus 1 whole power 0 is equal to, the total simplification is 1 itself. This implies P0 of x now onwards it is to be 1, or P0 of x is equal to 1. Next, if n is equal to 1, then Pn of x is equal to 1 divided by, in this formula, n is equal to 1. So 2 power 1 into 1 factorial into d by dx of x square minus 1 whole power 1 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2x is equal to x. So that P 1 of x is equal to x. P naught of x is 1, whereas P1 of x is x. N is equal to 3. If n is equal to 2, first of all, then P2 of x is equal to 1 by 2 square into 2 factorial into d square divided by dx square of x square minus 1 whole square. So is equal to 1 by 8 into d square by dx square of x power 4 minus 2x square plus 1 is equal to 1 by 8 into d by dx of first differentiation 4x cube minus 4x, as 4 is to be take outside, otherwise 1 by 8 into 12x square minus 4, take a, it is to be common, that 4 if you take common it will be cancelled. So 1 by 2 into 3x square minus 1. This implies P2 of x is equal to 1 by 2 into 3x square minus 1. Next, if n is equal to 3, then P3 of x is equal to 1 by 2 cube into 3 factorial d cube by dx cube of x square minus 1 whole cube is equal to 1 by 8 into 6 into d cube by dx cube of x square minus 1 whole cube is x square, a cube means, minus 3 into x square whole square into 1, 3a square b, plus 3ab square, 3x square into 1 square minus 1 cube is equal to 1 by 8 into 6 into d cube by dx cube of x power 6 minus 3x power 4 plus 3x square minus 1 is equal to 1 by 8 into 6 d square by dx square of 6x power 5 minus 12x cube plus 6x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 8 into 6 d by dx of 30 x power 4 minus 36 x square plus 6 is equal to 1 by 8 into 6 120 x cube minus 72x. So this is equal to 1 by 8 into 6. What is to be taken common? 24 into 5x cube minus 3x is equal to 1 by 2 into 5x cube minus 3x. This implies P3 of x is equal to 1 by 2 into 5x cube minus 3x. P3 of x is equal to 1 by 2 into 5x cube minus 3x. Similarly, When we continue, P4 of x is equal to 1 by 8 into 35 x power 4 minus 30 x square plus 3, and P5 of x is equal to 1 by 8 into 63 x power 5 minus 70 x cube plus 15x, and so on, because it is enough at least up to P5 of x to find the solutions of the problems. Next, problems. So first problem. Express P of x is equal to x power 4 plus 2x cube plus 2x square minus x minus 3 in terms of Legendre's polynomial. So the given polynomial p of x can write in terms of Legendre's polynomial. So see the solution of this problem as it was given in 2017 problem. Next, solution. Let P of x is equal to x power 4 plus 2x cube plus 2x square minus x minus 3. Take this as 1 is equal to right, for x power 4 we write in terms of the polynomial first some constants a p4 of x plus this term b p3 of x plus c p2 of x reduced suffixes p2 of x minus this plus d p1 of x plus e p0 of x. Is equal to a into what is p4 of x? It was written previously p4 of x value 35, that is 1 by 8 into constant 35 x power 4 35 x, or I will write this, is equal to a into p4 x value is 1 by 8 into 35 x power 4 minus 30 x square plus 3. This is a naught plus b into 1 by 2 into p3 of x is 5x cube minus 5x cube minus 3x. 5x cube minus 3x plus c into 1 by 2 into 3x square minus 1 plus d into x. p1 of x value is x plus e into 1. Next, equate the coefficients. Equate the coefficients of powers of x on both sides. Next, coefficient of x power 4 implies 1 is equal to a by 8 into 35 implies a is equal to 8 by 35. Next, coefficient of x cube. Coefficient of x cube is equal to, or x cube implies 2 is equal to b into 1 by 2 into 5 implies b is equal to 4 by 5. b is equal to 4 by 5. Next, coefficient of x square implies 2 is equal to minus 30 by 8 that is a into minus 30 by 8 plus c into 3 by 2 is equal to a value 8 by 35 into minus 30 by 8 plus 3c by 2. This is equal to minus 6 by 7 plus 3c by 2 is equal to LCM minus 12 plus 21c divided by 14 implies 28 is equal to minus 12 plus 21c implies c is equal to 40 divided by 21. Right. Coefficient of x implies minus 1 is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus b, into b plus d. Comparing this with the given equations is equal to minus 3 by 2 into 4 by 2 plus d. 4 by 5 plus d is equal to minus 6 by 5 plus d implies d is equal to minus 1 plus 6 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5 implies d is equal to 1 by 5. We are finding out all the constants to substitute. Next, Compare constant terms. Constant terms implies minus 3 is equal to 3 by 2 into A minus 1 by 2 C plus E is equal to 3 by 8 into 8 by 35. A value minus 1 by 2 into C value is 40 by 21 plus E. This is equal to 3 by 35 minus 20 by 21 plus E implies E is equal to minus 3 by 25, 35 plus 20 by 21 is equal to, the simplification is 735, LCM is 35 to 1 actually, 35 into 21 minus 63 plus 720 is equal to minus 3 is common in all that, 3 is common, but the simplification is, this must be 735. Even without these steps also we can take some LCM is to be common outside. Later on the total simplification I will write E value directly. It is E value may be minus 224. Why? Because all the steps you can simplify. I will write directly this 105. 224 divided by 105. This is E value. So put these values, put A, B, C, D, E values in 1. So what is one equation? It is x power 4 plus 2x cubed plus 2x square minus x minus 3 is equal to, this expression was written in equation 1, A P4 of x plus B P3 of x plus C P2 of x plus D P1 of x plus E into P naught of x. So that this is equal to, A is now 8 by 35 P4 of x, B value plus 4 by 5 P3 of x plus 40 by 21 P2 of x plus 1 by 5 P1 of x minus 224 divided by 105 P naught of x. So that now the given polynomial expression can be written in terms of the Legendre's polynomial. So right. See that how to express the given polynomial as a Legendre's polynomial and finding out the constants A, B, C, D, E and put in the RHS of Legendre's polynomial. Automatically the given expression or given polynomial is to be in terms of Legendre's polynomial. Thank you very much.